The Anthropic Principle by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The Anthropic Principle is a concept that has interested scientists, philosophers and individuals pondering the nature of our existence. It delves into the complexities of the universe and explores the seemingly tailored conditions necessary for life to flourish. At its core, the Anthropic Principle suggests that the universe, with all its fundamental constants and laws, appears to be finely tuned to allow for the emergence of intelligent life. It posits that if any of these fundamental parameters were even slightly different, life as we know it would not be possible. This raises profound questions about the purpose and design behind our existence. One variation of the Anthropic Principle is the strong Anthropic Principle. It contends that the laws of the universe must be in a way that supports the emergence of conscious beings. Proponents of this principle argue that the universe must have been designed specifically to allow for the presence of life, as the probability of random chance alone creating such precise conditions is infinitesimally small. On the other hand, the weak Anthropic Principle takes a more observational standpoint. It acknowledges that we, as conscious observers, can only exist in a universe where life-supporting conditions are present. In other words, if the conditions were different, we wouldn't be here to contemplate them. The weak Anthropic Principle does not necessarily imply design or purpose, but rather highlights the inherent biases in our perspective. Understanding the Anthropic Principle involves exploring various domains of science, including cosmology, astrophysics, and even theoretical physics. One example often cited in this discussion is the fine-tuning of the cosmological constant, which determines the expansion rate of the universe. If this constant were altered even slightly, the universe would either collapse too quickly or disperse too rapidly for stars and galaxies to form, making life, as we know it, impossible. Another intriguing aspect of the Anthropic Principle is the concept of the multiverse. Some theorists propose that our universe is just one of countless universes, each with different physical laws and constants. In this vast ensemble of universes, it becomes statistically likely that at least one universe will possess the precise conditions necessary for life. Proponents of this viewpoint argue that the fine-tuning we observe is not a result of intentional design, but merely a consequence of existing in one universe among many. Critics of the Anthropic Principle raise valid objections and alternative explanations. Some argue that invoking multiple universes or design concepts can be seen as ad hoc reasoning rather than substantive evidence. They highlight that our understanding of the fundamental laws and constants of the universe is still incomplete and evolving, making it premature to draw grand conclusions about their fine-tuning. In summary, the Anthropic Principle is an intriguing concept that invites contemplation and exploration. It challenges us to consider the intricate nature of our universe and its seemingly perfect conditions for life. While the debate between proponents and skeptics will likely continue, the quest for answers about our existence and the purpose behind it will persist. Perhaps in time we will unearth deeper insights into the nature of the Anthropic Principle, shedding light on the enigmatic forces that govern our reality.